Hey guys, this is Calvina. Doing another video on email marketing, which is a system called My Lead Gen Secret. Let me just brighten this a bit. Okay, and what this is an email marketing system that gives you 100 leads a day. Basically, building a list for you, and you send an email to the actual leads list that you're building. Alright? And if you're looking for basically a work from home opportunity, you definitely want to check out this system. It does have an emailing system here where you see the mail system tab right here where you're basically emailing your leads. Alright, every day, every 24 hours. Okay. If you get a referral, you get 100 bonus leads, which you get 200 bonus leads a day. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, these are the leads here. I think I'm at 79,100 leads. I'll check that. Okay. This is the home. These are master email swipes if you want to purchase them. Okay. And alright, these are the leads right here. And this is the actual mailing system. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how cool this system is. My Lead Gen Secret. And it also has a affiliate marketing system also that you can promote to customers too. You can also promote My Lead Gen Secret to your leads every day also. So I'm going to show you guys the email email to your leads. Okay, so these are the leads here. Scroll down as you guys see. Right, select all. Click on select all, and as you guys see right here, 79,100 leads. Okay, so as you see here, I'll let this stay sent from Calvina Green. No reply at My Lead Gen Secret. Excuse me. So I am promoting this company called Partner and Profit Emails, and this system is only $19.95. So there are some emails that was made your shortcut to success result. Last one, so I'm up to 12. I think this is day 42. No. Is it 42, I think? Yeah, day 42 with this. I haven't did a case study. I'm not going to do no case study on this yet. Excuse me, guys. A chance. I'm trying to see where I left off. Your shortcut to online business success. So, let me go down here and find the email. A business without usual. Okay, so the next one. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Yeah, 44. So 44 days with this. Excuse me. Alright, so this is the subject right here. Why this business is perfect for you. Copy. Right. Copy here. paste it right in the subject line. Okay, the next thing you want to do is personalizing the email, and you're sending them the first name. You can use full name, first name, last name, email, whatever. No, I'm doing this. Okay, let me get the email body before I start doing that. Okay, so here it is right here. Okay, name, copy. Alright, minimize that. We'll talk about that. Okay, so I'm pasting this here, Control V, your name, so take this out. Right, go back up here. Excuse me if you notice I sound a little different. I was under the weather, so excuse me. Alright, so space, Control V. So you're personalizing this email, right? Click here. And you gotta put the link here. So what I'm promoting is Warrior Plus. There's a system from Warrior Plus called Partner and Profit. The CEO that has made this system, his name is Michael Chaney. It's a really good system. So you can, and just to get into that, you can promote products from ClickBank, like Warrior Plus, JVZoo. You can basically promote almost anything with this system, affiliate system. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this, bold it, pick the size, which is 18 font. Me, I like Times New Roman, and voila, you have it there. What I'm going to do, show my picture, it's me right there, and click OK. That's just about it. And I'm going to send this off. I like to double check everything just to make sure I'm sending. Alright, pick that there, scroll down here, Calvina Green. Oh, my email. I'll put it in the next one. I'm not gonna, because I don't want to mess this up. So picture there. Alright, so let's see here. So again, you get 100 leads a day with this, and like I said, you can email to your leads, right? Go down here, email body, whatever you want. You can pick products from JVZoo, like I said, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, probably Digistore 24 too if you want to use them also. Okay, and I'm gonna just, you can preview it also. Click on perfect timing. They just, what that is they can predict the optimal delivery hour of the day for each of your leads in a nutshell. It's the time slot when the subscriber is most likely to open and click your emails based on historical activity. Actually, we do more than just predict. We can deliver your email exactly during this sweet spot. Time window landing on top of the email box and boosting your opens and clicks. Okay, so that's awesome. It helps out good. So I'm going to show you guys. You can click on preview also just to make sure the email body that you want. Close it and then send the email. Alright, so that's what we got there. And it's going to send a message. Your message has been queued. You should be able to view it on the statistics page in a few moments. So I gotta wait for the basically next 24 hours to send another email. So my lead gen secret is awesome. Alright. So you can, this is the statistics tab. I'm not gonna get too much into that. Next video, or you guys can go and watch my other video. You'll see it there. Did a tour with my lead gen secret. Okay. So you can also promote this, right? To refer, to people, to customers, or whatever. You can also email these to your leads, promote this to your leads also. And what's great about this affiliate program, all right, you see the links right here that you can use. This is the one I use right here, the sizzle page. Okay, this is pretty good. It has a video and everything. Right? Info page and splash page. Okay. So the great thing about this is this is the CEO. I think it's Tom. I could be wrong about the name, but I always forget his name. Excuse me. So this is the My Lead Gen Secret Compensation Plan. The MLGS compensation plan gives you unlimited earning potential. Earn commissions by selling MLGS, memberships and master swipes to customers. The MLGS compensation plan allows affiliates to achieve the highest levels of payments fast. Alright? You receive $5 a month on personal membership sales to customers who purchase directly from your affiliate link, level 1. Number 2, you receive $4 a month on your personal sponsored affiliate member sales. Alright. That's level 2. $3 a month on membership sales of the people they personally sponsor. Level 3. And $2 a month on levels 4. And $1 a month on level 5. Okay. So here's it. Let's say level 1, $5 a month. Level 2, $4 a month. Level 3, $3 a month. Level 4, $2 a month. And level 5, $1 a month. Okay. One-time commissions are paid out on master purchases at $5, $4, $3, $2, $1. That's 5 levels deep on $29.95 pricing, and $10, $8, $6, $4, and $2. 5 levels deep on $59.95 pricing. Now, if you was to sign up with this, if you want to sign up with this, right? It's $60 one-time fee of $30 for the setup fee, and anything after that's $30 a month. Okay. Note commissions will be accumulated until they reach a gross amount of $30, at which time they will be paid on upon request. Commissions will be paid out via PayPal, check, or Bitcoin. And what's great about this is what I wanted to get into right here. The weekly Superstars bonus contest, which is winning unlimited number of $100 bonuses each week by simply referring 5 new confirmed membership sales in a 7-day contest period. Right? You read that correctly. For every 5 paid new customers you refer in a 1-week period, you'll earn $100 cash bonus. There is no limit. Refer 25 new paid members in 1 week and you'll earn $500. Your new customer referrals will be counted for 1 calendar week. A week is defined as 12 a.m. Monday through 11:59 p.m. Sunday Eastern Time. Alright, you earn bonus leads is what I was explaining to you. Double your leads from $100 per day to 100 leads per day, to 200 leads per day for life. Simply referring one confirmed member. That's it. Okay? Says, yep, that's right. As soon as you get your referral, I give you 100 bonus leads a day, every day. You will continue to receive a total of 200 leads per day as long as at least one of your referrals remain active. Okay? So a compensation plan is awesome. Okay? So just to let you guys know that. Here are some email swipes too. If you would like to promote MLGS to your leads or your list. Okay? It's awesome. Awesome. With this. Okay. Textile is awesome too down there. Just to show you guys. These are the commissions. As you guys see here. That I've earned under here. See? I can keep going. Alright. Just to show you this works. Right. And the down line is here. Boom. 100 leads today. Leads yesterday. Okay. Alright, so this is recommended advertising. You guys definitely want to check out MLGS. I'm telling you. It's good. If you're struggling to build a list, you definitely want to check out My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. You can also, promote your system or clickbank again, Warrior Plus. Alright. Then from there, with this awesome lead generating system. Okay, so $1 a day, $1 for 100 leads a day, which adds up to $30 a month. Not bad. You guys check this out. You're emailing every 24 hours. And while you're doing that, you're building a list, which is awesome. Okay, so let me see something with the affiliate. If I should show you guys. This is a page here. Yeah, I probably have to show that the next time because it's not gonna let me. Alright, I do apologize, guys. I am a bit under the weather. So, but I wanted to make another video on My Lead Gen Secret. Just to show you guys on the inside. Again. And check out MLGS. Okay? My name is Calvina. I'm signing off. If you're struggling to build your email list, yes, you want to check out MLGS to help build you an email list and, hopefully start making money with this also. Okay? The affiliate system for this is also great, as you guys have seen. Alright. So, alright, signing off. Guys, have a great day. Have a great night. See you guys on the inside.